You guys, I'm so excited to do this haul. It is the newest Le Monde Gourmand perfume. And I don't know if it's exclusive to Ulta or not, but I love Alice in Wonderland. I love the wonder of it. And so they put out a 093 Potion Enchantee perfume. Look at how beautiful it is. Isn't she gorgeous? It's got the rabbit. What is this? And there's like a potion right here. But it's like a blue tint. I'm going to tell you guys what the notes are. It is $30, and they had it at my local store. I don't know if they have a tester out for it or not. To me, it smells just like cotton candy. It says the Alice in Wonderland Le Monde Gourmand Potion Enchantee swirls raspberry and peach into star jasmine and blue cedarwood. You guys, it smells like blue cotton candy to me. Like the blue raspberry. I don't know. It's just magic. I really, really like it. And it still smells absolutely, but it doesn't smell young. It smells like a sophisticated, and you guys know me, I love my gourmands. It smells like a grown-up version, because you do have that cedarwood in there and the jasmine. Yeah, I think you guys should absolutely get this. And you could layer this with just about anything. Summer, fall, winter, spring. This is like a very versatile scent too. In the projection, I can't really speak on because I just got it. I would say it's probably about a 6. It's probably more likely it'll dry down into a skin scent, but I am an oversprayer. We know this. I mean, people around me might really smell it, but it is a perfume. But yeah, they joined with Disney to do that. I just wanted to do a quick haul on that in first impressions because it is absolutely beautiful. And I believe it's a limited time thing. So yeah, $30 I think is decent for it. That's about the going rate these days for anything new. But thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you very, very much. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you're aware when I go live. And also check out my daily live so you can catch this one. I will probably post this one today just because it's new and I haven't seen any other influencers do it yet. So super stoked about that. But yeah, I definitely suggest grabbing it. I don't know if there's a sellout risk or not, but I'm super excited. So yeah, go grab it and I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.